In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, new opportunities appear almost every day, but only a few of them truly stand out. One of those rare chances is happening right now, a new token airdrop that's giving away free crypto to early participants. If you've ever wanted to start your crypto journey without spending a cent, this could be the perfect moment. This airdrop is part of a fresh blockchain project that aims to revolutionize decentralized finance by making crypto access easier for everyone. The team behind it is focusing on community growth, which means they're offering free tokens to people who take part before the official launch. It's their way of rewarding early supporters and giving you a chance to be part of something big from day one. Participating is surprisingly easy. All you need to do is visit the official airdrop page, complete a few simple social tasks like following the project on Twitter, joining their Telegram group, and submitting your wallet address. The whole process takes less than 5 minutes, and once the campaign ends, your tokens will be automatically distributed. These kinds of opportunities don't last long. In the past, users who joined airdrops from projects like Uniswap, Arbitrum, and Aptos received free tokens that turned into hundreds or even thousands of dollars after listing on major exchanges. It all started with a few clicks and some early curiosity. What makes this new token even more interesting is the strong roadmap behind it. The project plans to launch its main net, introduce staking features, and expand into Web3 integrations, all within the next few months. That means the token's value could increase once the ecosystem starts growing and attracting investors. If you're serious about catching the next big thing in crypto, don't wait for others to tell you about it. Every major success story begins with being early, and this airdrop could be your ticket to future gains. Head over to the official link, follow the simple steps, and secure your free tokens today. Opportunities like this come rarely, and when they do, the smartest move is to act fast. So don't miss it. This new token airdrop could be the start of your next crypto success story.